Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the sound output of your videos in CapCut PC. It is pretty simple. So for instance, you can't hear anything, you're just going to go to menu and you're going to select settings. Then you are going to select performance and then you're going to select sound output. You're going to then select the correct one. So my speaker is the Realtek one. Then you're just going to hit the save button. Then you're also going to select this bit right here and see if you've selected the correct device, which I already did here. And you can also adjust the volume here as well. So that's how you can correctly select the right output device if you can't hear anything on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.